Hi family, hi guys. Ito na po ang ating ulam for tonight. Ang ating main ingredients, pork mince, pork giniling, giniling na baboy. Tapos po, lalagyan po natin siya. Ito po yung lalagyan natin ng tomato in can, mahal kasi po yung fresh. Bell pepper, bawang sibuyas, carrots, tsaka patatas. Yan po guys, family, ang ulam for tonight natin kung tawagin to Filipino Pigadillo. Philippine Pigadillo. Yan guys, family. With pineapple, twist of the pineapple. Alright guys, family. Lutuin natin to mamaya. Beautiful. Ito po, kumukulo na po yung ating red bell pepper. Ay, green bell pepper. Lagay na po natin ang pineapple. Pili oh, sarap. Yan, diluto lang po natin yung green bell pepper. Tsaka yung pineapple, konti lang po. Masarap yan, medyo malutong. Nakalimutan ko kanina sa ingredients yan. Yung ating boiled egg, may nilagang itlog, masarap yan.